How to find my passion in life? What is my life purpose? What am I supposed to be doing with my life? These are some of the questions I keep asking myself throughout my life. These are the big questions that we want the right answers to. But somewhere along the way, we get lost in our busy lives. Time passes and we find ourselves Googling how to find your passion in life. It's completely normal to get a little lost in this crazy and weird thing called life. Trust me, I know the feeling and you are not alone. We are all told we are meant to do something, right? But with this comes worry and we stress ourselves about true calling in life and our anxiety level skyrockets. Instead, we need to slow down, ask the right questions to get the right answers. I have a free printable guide for you in this video. You can find it in the description box below. It is a step-by-step guide that helps you to find out your passion right now. You can download your free copy now using the link in the description box. This technique helped me to find out my passion in my life, and I also wanted the same for you if you're looking to find yours. This guide would be really helpful for you in figuring out what you really wanted to do, what is your passion. But before you get your hands on the printable, let me tell you something. My friend just shared with me a sad story about a woman getting killed in a freak accident while walking down the street in Chennai. Uncontrollable events like this happen all the time, and they remind me of the fragile and fleeting nature of life and the importance of living it to the fullest now. If you are still putting up with a mediocre life in the hopes of getting something out of it at the end, I would say please reconsider. One way to live a fulfilling life is to follow your passion. Passion is one of those words that people use often without really understanding the original meaning of the word. Even I just came to know about it recently. When most people refer to passion, they use it to mean strong emotions reflecting an intense desire or boundless enthusiasm. At least that's how I've always heard it used. It was only after reading a book named Aspire by Kevin Hall and conforming with the dictionary did I realize that passion originally meant a willingness to suffer for what you love. This definition has completely changed my perspective on passion. I no longer use it to describe something that I feel strongly about or that excites me. I use it to describe an activity, goal, or cause that I care about so much that I am willing to suffer for it. And this new perspective made it easier for me to know whether something is truly my passion or simply a strong interest. There is a difference, right? People who make a difference in their own lives and the world do so by following their passion. We know this already, and this means making the cautious decision to give up other enjoyable activities to focus your energy on the most important activities. Let me tell you, doing what you love is very hard, yet rewarding at the same time. The good news is, when you pursue your passion, you will not only like where you end up, but enjoy the journey along the way. Before you go, don't forget to download your free printable guide in the description box below and go ahead and start exploring. Once you're done with the activities, you will be amazed to see what you have found. Forget about excuses. You do have time. I'm sure you can take the time to read, reflect, and find the right answers in order to find your passion in life. Don't settle for a life that is only so and so. Start living your best life today. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and see you next week.